Sabir. This video I showing you how to your Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 password reset without CD or software. You are watching this video, you can log on to your Windows computer because you forgot your password or you bought computer of someone else. They forgot the password. I experienced this right now myself, and I want to show how to bypass the Windows 7 password. Okay, and now restart my PC. When it's showing a welcome message, you are doing to hard shutdown, and it's launch startup repair. And it is very much important when appear starting Windows, you need to hard shutdown. Okay, launch repair. Windows is loading. Wait sometimes. It's searching your problem, and it's trying to repair, and it's taken some times. So wait sometimes. After complete this, actually we can bypass password. Okay, view problem details. And and click this, and file, and open, and going to my Windows setup drive. My setup drive is C, and file type all files. Click Windows, and search System32. In this folder, search ACTSC, and rename this. Okay, now search CMD. Okay, CMD, copy and paste same location, and I change this name. And is change this name is ACTSC. Okay, after done this and cancel and cancel and finish, and it's automatic restart. Okay, now press 5 times shift button. Remember, 5 times shift button. You need to press 5 times shift button. Okay, now type. I again showing you how to CMD, and 5 times. If you press 5 times shift key, you will see this CMD. Now type command net space user. My active user is Sabir Khan, and type again command net user Sabir Khan space star and enter, and type my new password. If you successfully follow my step, I think you also bypass your Windows password. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video, and this video share with your